Hey guys, I have ordered Philips 2.1 speakers. Model number is MMS4545B, and its power rating is 40 watt, and the packing quality of Amazon is so good. Okay, let's unbox this. After removing the cover given by Amazon, it looks like this, and its rating is 40 watt. See here, and the model number is given here, MMS4545B. So let's remove the speaker from the cover. Hi guys, I have unboxed the speaker from the box, and this big one is the subwoofer, and the two satellite speakers are given, and this is the user manual, and the warranty card is given inside the user manual of 12 months, and the remote you are seeing, and this is the one RCA cable. Now let's see the performance of the speaker. Hi guys, I connected the speaker with Bluetooth turned on my mobile. So now the speaker level is 18. Now we'll see the effect by increasing the volume. Now it's 25. The sound quality is good, bass level and bass quality is good. The sound actually not bursting out. The quality remains same. See the bass level is 26. See the increase the bass level. See the effect. So the improvement in bass level 24. See the effect. The sound quality is totally remains same. We increase the volume or increase the doesn't affect the sound quality. Now we are giving the full volume and full bass. The full bass 30 level. So I can suggest you for buying this speaker, as the quality of the sound not bursting out, the bass quality and the bass effect is so good. I opted because it's having 40 watt power, and it is better for one single room, so you can also go for it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.